everyone, welcome to Ultrasonic channel. Today I'm going to introduce you our hot product, Ultrasonic spot welding machine. This is 28 kHz 800 watts. It is usually used for mask ear loop welding. The combination of the generator and the work patch improve the efficiency of work. This is the mask body and this is its ear loop. The ear loop and the mask body are firmly welded. If you are interested in our ultrasonic spot welding machine, just contact us. Waiting for your reply. You can also email us. Bye.